Okay, now we come to the last part, which is the activity 7. What are the instructions? Let me copy first. Yeah, so this is the last activity as part of the milestone 4. We also have 4 tasks. Again, visualizing, yeah? Data visualization. Okay, additional insight, extracting additional insight, examining the influence of the external factors, and evaluating regional disparities for holistic understanding of the COVID-19 landscape. Okay, yeah. So first, visualize the fatality rate. Fatality rate is the formula total death divided by the total cases over time globally. Yeah, okay. That's the okay, yeah, this one. After that, first we need to calculate the fatality rate. Yeah, okay. So calculate the fatality rate. The formula is total death divided by the total cases. Yeah, so I create a new data frame, fatality rate, okay, equal to the DF, total death, yeah, divided by the DF, total cases. Okay, yep. So this creating the new data frame. Then we're going to plot this. The way we plot is similar like previous. Yeah. Okay, so run. Yeah, so this will show you the fatality rate over time globally. So initially during the early part, early time, it is the high fatality rate. But after that, we become more familiar and know how to treat, and then the fatality rate become lesser. Oh, why fatality rate data? Okay, yes, correct. Yeah. So yeah, okay. This is uh, the graphic, the chart. Okay, continue with number 2, which is the explore positivity rate. Yeah, positivity rate is the total cases divided by the total test. Okay, so let's do it. Yeah. Okay, so one. Okay, activity 7, task to explore the positivity rate. Yeah, so here you go. Wrong. Okay, yeah. So the positivity rate is similar like this, but the formula is different. One is fatality rate, yeah, and then positivity rate is the total death divided by the. Oh, sorry, this one is total fatality rate. The positivity rate is total case divided by the total test. Okay, yeah. So yep, like this. Then after that, we're going to create the new data frame. Yeah, like this. Yeah, and after that, create a new column in the data frame. So we don't create a new data frame, but create a new column in the data frame, the positivity rate. Okay, for that, we're going to create a scatter plot, yeah, for showing this. Okay, now let's see the plot. Yeah, okay. So you see the positivity rate. Yeah. Okay. So total cases divided by the total test positivity rate. Okay. And scale is the logarithmic. Yeah. Okay. After that, the number 3 is to calculate the total smokers for yeah. So here analyze fatality rate and relationship with smoking. We would find out, yeah, is there any correlation? Okay, so again we create the column, the smokers. Yeah, calculate total smokers for each country. TF total smokers, yeah, TF male smokers plus the female smokers. So add these two columns to get the total. And then we're going to group by country for this smokers, total smokers. Okay, top smokers country, they have group by location, aggregate, yeah, sum, total death, and total smokers for this uh, yeah, group by country. Okay, and then after that, sort, yeah, by total smokers in descending order because we want to display top, yeah, top meaning the highest. Okay, and after that, let's temporarily we would like to see this at the top 10, yeah, top. Okay, so may want to display top smokers list. Okay, run. Then we will see. Okay, yeah. I never heard this country, but Montenegro, Greece, yeah. Total. Then we create a plot. Yeah, diverging bar chart to visualize the total death and total smokers for the top countries. Okay. Yep. So this is the top countries with highest smokers corresponding to the total death. The red color is total death, and this one is the smoke. Okay. Looks like not really correlated. Okay. The last part is to create the heat map. Okay. So go back to this. Create the heat map. The relationship between hospital bed per thousand and the fatality rate. So whether there is any relationship with the hospital uh, bed with the per thousand and fatality rate. So create the heat map data between the hospital beds per thousand and fatality rate. So create the drop by. After that, Uh, yeah. So then after that, you want to see the heat map. Then just use the code we did before. I just copy then the title, the data frame, the data source. So you will see this hospital beds per thousand versus the fatality rate. Okay, there are too many. Yeah, hospital bed per thousand. Okay, then the color mostly is the blue. This is very low. Okay, so all of this you spend time to do some analysis, then after that explain in your report. So this is just a notebook that running the EDA, exploratory data analysis, visualizing the data, but after that you can add some explanation. Okay, so example is the I give you the example, the report. Okay, everyone, I have shown you more or less how to complete this activity, but you and I encourage you to spend time and then play with this code, and you may want to improvise, yeah, to modify the code and then create a better visual, yeah, or is the more easier to understand visual is up to you. I just record this solution for you to use as a reference. But again, you are free to explore and then improvise the visualizations and then write some discussion explanations in your report.